Morning folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I have a jamboree rally over here at Fleetwood, Class C. I think 2004-ish, 5-ish, something of that nature. You couldn't walk into the step well. It was pretty bad. I tore it apart. I'm going to show you what I did. No sense in showing you every step of the thing, cutting stuff and all that, but here we go. So basically, this wood was rotted. You can see it really bad. That went in here, all right here, and then there's the battery box. So it was up against here, and then there. You can see the holes, all right? That's here. Okay, so that goes up in there. This was a metal bottom. Didn't do too well, did it? Now this actually went in there, okay? That went in there like this. I'll put you on pause for a second. All right, so that went in there like that. If you see the bigger bolt holes, this is from the bottom looking up, So you get the big bolt holes. That's where this pull-out step went. All right, and that's what we got to do. We got to rebuild all this. There's your step bolts that holds up. They're stove bolts. All right, so how did I get the carpet off? It's pretty bad. I'll ask the customer if they want it back on, or do they choose me to do it, which will probably cost them more. This foam was in there for insulation, right? Of course, you got an idea where that goes, right? Okay, so it goes right there. So we got a new sheet of plywood. I got like a marine grade. It's $95 for that sheet. So when I charge $500-600 to do this job, they're probably gonna like, oh my god. It's all right though. You know, I'm gonna build it better than Fleetwood did. All right, so I'm putting all stainless steel screws back in. The stove bolts that hold them there. A piece of wood goes here, a piece of plywood goes here, double between the foam sandwiching, it's called. So basically, that's it for now. There's your treadwell step. You can buy this by the sheets. All right. I'll ask them if they want it all back in there. If not, it looks like they put their own stuff. See the blue there? And right there, they were trying to make it look nice or reinforce it. All right, it's Jeff. That's the quick video version. Quick, I'll show you some of the garbage that came out of there. All kinds. I clean up as I go. It's Easter Sunday. I've already picked up all the dog poop out of the yard so the grandkids can come over and run around like crazy and look for Easter eggs. I'm in my garage relaxing for a while. All right, so here she is. Not bad for an old girl. I got a couple things to do for her. It's on a GM 3500 1-ton cutaway. All right, I don't know, 28 foot or something like that. I got to put a new awning up right there, and a couple other little things. Heater, of course, the generator don't work right because nobody does their maintenance. Please do your preventive maintenance on everything. All right, thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, what's the motto? Test, not guess. What's the other famous saying? Safe travels to you. Safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright till we meet again. Whether it be here on a YouTube channel that I would appreciate you subscribe to and give me thumbs up. If you don't like something, put it in the comment section. Or if you need a little help understanding what I did, put it in the comments. I respond about 99.9% of them within 48 hours. So I stay kind of busy. And let me set my butt down. All right, so the other one is there's a Facebook page, RV Diagnostics Troubleshooting. That's going to hit 25,000 members here probably this month. There's my garage, which you just seen. That's 22480 Biloxi School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Please give me a 2 weeks notice before you come, or email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. thru@gmail.com, or say it on this YouTube video that you're watching. Hey, I'd like to come to your garage. Remember, I'll answer them. The other one is the website, where I do one-on-one with you. All right, right now it's $118 a year. Yes, I keep saying I'm gonna put it up to $150, but still, even at that, that's like $12.30 a month. Come on, folks, you got me in my back pocket. Thousands of people have joined. They've been very successful in troubleshooting their own RV with me guiding them, and I watch you through your camera on your phone, and we kind of laugh and have a little bit of fun too. And you learn. So the first time you use it, it pays for itself. That's just like a tech coming out there. Remember, I retired this past March the 24th. I don't do too much more mobile. I have a couple special people I take care of. But I do have like over 200 plus big 40, 45 footers that come through here, even Prevos and stuff like that. Gorgeous ones. Wonder Lodge came through here. It was just, a lot of them don't let me record. All right, so folks, thank you very much for all the support. All right, remember, I'll see you around.